Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to stop your iPhone suggesting or showing you autofill password option on your iPhone during a different portals or application logins. It is helpful, yes, but sometimes it might not be, because just imagine your iPhone is used by some other person who knows your iPhone passcode, right? And he tries to log in different applications on your iPhone, and that time the password screen pops up, that is your autofill passwords, and that person knows your iPhone screen lock or a screen passcode. That time instantly he can enter your screen passcode on your iPhone and he can log in into the application instantly. That time it might be very risky for you as well. So now if you want to disable this autofill password pop up on your iPhone, do one thing. Just go ahead, open your iPhone, open settings. In settings, go to your general, and below there is the option called autofill and passwords. Just go ahead and open that, and here if you see right on top there is the option to disable and enable it. As per your own convenience, just go ahead and disable that on your iPhone. Once you do that, next time for login, your iPhone won't display any autofill password on your iPhone. Okay, that's it. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope it was a helpful video, and if yes, then one request, please like the video and subscribe to watch videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.